Hey, we're out here in Cary, North Carolina on a beautiful Wednesday morning, and if you're like a lot of Raleigh Triangle homeowners that have drafty old wood windows, broken seals, you're just losing money. You might have wooden sashes that are rotten, can't open and close. You know, this project back here we just wrapped up. A possible solution for you is some beautiful Pella windows. These are the Lifestyle Series. They are pre-painted, aluminum cladded on the outside, wood on the inside. That can be painted and or stained to match whatever color interior trim you have. But look at how close this exterior is to the existing trim color on here. It's a beautiful match. And these Pella Lifestyle windows are in poplar. It's an almost identical match for this homeowner. And again, these are aluminum cladded exterior, wood interior, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Check out this bay window. Not only are they maintenance free, but they are going to deliver some incredible return on investment when this homeowner goes to sell. So again, old wood windows, don't open, not energy efficient, might be time to replace them. A lot of Raleigh Triangle homeowners are getting these wood windows out of the house, experiencing tremendous increased energy efficiency, saving on their utility bills, and not only that, just absolutely gorgeous. So if you need windows, give us a shout.